for a second and ask yourself what's really keeping us here. Not just metaphorically, but physically. What holds you to the ground, tethers the moon to the earth, and spins entire galaxies into motion? That silent force is gravity. You can't see it. You can't hear it. But it's everywhere, and it never stops working. Gravity isn't just about things falling down. It's about everything coming together. It's why the Earth stays in orbit, why the tides rise and fall, why you don't drift off into space when you jump. It's the quiet glue holding the cosmos together, and it works on everything from dust to planets, from stars to black holes. And here's the twist: we feel gravity every moment, yet it remains one of the most mysterious forces in existence. We know what it does, but how it really works, we're still chasing that answer. It's humbling, isn't it? That the same force keeping your feet on the ground also curves the very fabric of space and time. But gravity isn't just a scientific idea, it's a daily experience. Every step we take, every object we drop, every mountain that stands tall, they all move to the rhythm of gravity. It's like the universe's silent metronome, keeping everything in sync. Now imagine this: scientists use gravity to slingshot spacecraft across planets, saving fuel by using the pull of a celestial body like a cosmic highway. We've built simulations that map galaxies. We've even detected gravity waves ripples in spacetime from black hole collisions millions of light years away. All of that because we dared to understand gravity. In a world racing toward AI, quantum computing, and Mars missions, gravity is still one of our greatest teachers. It reminds us that the universe runs on beautiful, elegant principles. It whispers, there's more to discover, keep going. And maybe that's why gravity feels so human. It pulls us back when we fall, grounds us when we drift, and still leaves us free to fly if we learn how to work with it. So the next time you look up at the sky, or feel the weight of your body on Earth, think about it: you're part of something massive, something precise, something ancient. Gravity isn't just pulling things down, it's lifting us toward deeper understanding, toward innovation, toward the future. Stay grounded, stay curious, because the universe is still waiting to show you what's possible.